Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the Haylou Phone application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices. And on this list, you should see Haylou RS3. Tap on the info icon next to it. And here make sure that the share system notification option is enabled. If you don't see this option right here, I recommend to open the Haylou Phone application. Select your Haylou RS3 from the list of devices. Tap on message notice and here enable the message notice. And after a couple of seconds, you might see the pop-up about the notification permissions. Allow that permission. And then you can reopen the settings, tap on Bluetooth, tap on the info icon right here, and you should see the share system notifications. Make sure it's enabled. Once it is, go back to settings, the main page, scroll down, find the Haylou Phone application on the list, and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Haylou Phone application. Again, select the Haylou RS3 from the list of devices, tap on message notice, and here by default this option probably will be disabled, message notice, but enable it. And now we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. As you can see, we have SMS, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter and stuff like that. Let's say if you enable the notifications, for example, for WhatsApp, and you receive that notification or other notification from WhatsApp on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch if the option is enabled. If you disable it, you will receive the notification on your iPhone, but it won't be forwarded to your watch. That's how it works. Okay, if you don't see the application you want to use on this list, because as you can see, we have specific apps, make sure to enable the option Other. If you enable this option, it will enable notifications for every application on your iPhone that is not on this list. Okay, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.